Hey, here we are at 600 South 8th Street. Front of the house looks pretty good. Get a nice shot of the driveway. Curb and sidewalk look okay. The driveway is blacktop and disintegrating a bit, but would be really easy to continue it all the way back. Neighbor's house over here, little overgrown, but the house itself looks really nice. It's in good repair. They're a little overgrown there. Street, overall, good street. The vehicles all look nice. Nothing's in major disrepair or anything like that. Hi, how you doing? Hey, did you notice them fixing this foundation when they were over here?
No, we haven't been here that long.
Oh, really? Okay, all right, cool. Is it a nice street?
Yes, it's nice. From what we were told, it's normally quiet.
Got it.
They've got all the road work going on down there right now.
You
But for the most part, it's super nice and quiet. And
got it. You guys just moved in?
we're renting.
Oh, you're renting? Okay, super.
Yeah, we're working here. So.
It looks like you got a limb on the top of your house.
This tree's coming down Monday.
Oh, wow. That's exciting.
Yeah, it's going to be gone Monday.
Wow. That'll be good. I bet that was kind of scary when that happened. Yeah.
It wasn't bad. That limb, my trunk was backed up in there. Her Jeep was sitting right there where the limb is. I just moved the Jeep and it fell.
Woo, you got lucky. Wow, that would have been an insurance claim.
Yeah.
That's for sure.
Hey, thank you very much.
Have a nice day. So those were the neighbors next door. There's a limb on that tree. They said the tree's coming down on Monday. So we'll head on inside. Got a nice, looks like a brand new screen door, storm door rather. And get my camera set up. Floors look good. So here's the front door. Right off the front door is the master, or the bedroom. I guess the only bedroom is the master. Closet's a little small. Windows are all brand new. We'll head into the kitchen. So you come into the living room, then I guess this is kind of a second living room or a dining room. And there's a small step. It's about 2 inches between the kitchen and the dining room, or the whatever that room is. Gas stove. It's a big open kitchen. Here's the bathroom. Subway tile to the ceiling. New toilet. Small vanity. And little nook over here to the side, and this leads down to the basement. Check that out. Is this the laundry area? Nope, but I bet it could be. Little back porch area. So I guess the laundry is downstairs, probably.